When editing, it's important to keep organized. There are a number of tools that you can use to manage media in Final Cut, but the most simple, helpful thing you can do is rename your shots. For instance, if we're doing an alphabet project, I can simply click on the default name and type A. Then click on the second clip's default name and click B, and so on and so forth. Now, let's select the section of the shot we want to place in our timeline. Technically speaking, we can drag the raw footage from the event and place it on the timeline, but that's not editing. Editing is decision making. Specifically, we're deciding on three things: the frame we want to start from, the frame we want to end on, and where in the timeline to place the edited clip. Deciding on these 3 points is called three-point editing. Ideally, our goal in three-point editing is to use the best and throw away the rest. To decide on the first 2 points, we can use our mouse to click on the starting frame and drag to the ending frame. This is good to get a rough section outlined, but it's imprecise, and editing is all about precision. There are roughly 30 frames in a second of video. That means there are possibly 30 decision points per second. Not this frame, not this frame, not this frame, this frame. That's the kind of decision making involved in editing. That leaves almost infinite combination possibilities of how 2 clips can be edited together, not to mention an entire movie. So, to get more precise on the exact frames we want to begin and end with, we'll use the left and right arrows on the keyboard to navigate the clip. Once we decided on the exact frame we want to begin with, we'll press the letter I, which stands for in point. Then navigate to where you want to end and press the letter O for out point. Now we can drag the clip onto the third point, which is where we want it to be on the timeline. We just made our first 3-point edit.